The incredible video was filmed in Merano during a training exercise for the Alpini, Italy specialist Alpine army. The AB-205 UH-205A chopper from the 4th Army Aviation Regiment Altair was taking part in a joint international exercise in South Tyrol when it came into trouble. The wind direction at the high altitude started to cause the helicopter to start rotating to the right when it was attempting to make a landing on Monday. But when the pilot tried to correct it by turning left, the helicopter continued to spin out of control in the skies as it hurtled towards the rocks. But at the final second, the pilot regained control and lifted the helicopter out of danger. The craft was returned to Bolzano Airport with some damage to one of its blades.